Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to factorize quadratic expressions using perfect square method. First, let us see what do we mean by perfect square. 9 is a perfect square because it is 3 square. 36 is a perfect square because this is equal to 6 square. 81, this is a perfect square because it is 9 square. So the same if we have a plus b square, this is a perfect square because it is the same as a plus b multiplied by a plus b again. So the quadratic expression that they are in the form of perfect square, they are a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is equal to a plus b square and a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is equal to a minus b. This is square. Let us put our quadratic expression in this form. That is going to be x square plus 6x. 9 is the same as 3 square plus 3 square. This is equal to a plus b in the bracket square, but when we compare here, x is equal to a and b is equal to 3. Let us confirm if this is a perfect square by taking the middle term, that is 2ab. We are going to substitute the value of a and b. We are going to get 2 multiplied by a is equal to x multiplied by b, which is equal to 3. This is going to give us 6x, which is correct, the middle term. Now, this is a perfect square. Let us substitute the value of a and b to our factor, that is a is the same as x plus b is the same as 3, but this is square. This is the same as x plus 3, again x plus 3, and this is our factors. Let us do question number 2. We have x square minus 8x plus 16. First, we are going to put it in the form of perfect square. That is going to be x square minus 8x, but 16 is the same as 4 square plus 4 square. I'm going to compare this with a perfect square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is equal to a minus b. This is square. So a is equal to x, b is equal to 4. Let us confirm if this value of a and b, it will give us the middle term. The middle term is given by negative 2ab. So this is equal to negative 2 multiplied by a, which is x, multiplied by b, which is 4. That is going to give us minus 8x. This confirms that this is a perfect square. Now let us substitute the value of a and b in our factor. A is equal to x minus b is equal to 4, but all this square, this is the same as x minus 4, x minus 4 again, since it's a perfect square. I hope you understand this. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye bye.